Hello, my name is Eric White, and today we're going to talk about how to capture text with a scanner. Now the first thing that you're going to need, well, second after the scanner, is what they call optical character recognition software. Now there's many different brands. Most scanners will come with some sort of OCR software. It's very simple. You open the scanner bed, place your paper down, and then use the optical character recognition software to scan. It's very similar to scanning in a photo. It works really well with printed text and not so well with handwritten cursive. If you just print handwritten, it works okay, but it works best with printed type, like a newspaper or a book. So you just insert the page into the scanner, text side down just like you would with a picture, and then hit scan on your optical character recognition software, and you've just scanned in text with your scanner.